Hi everyone, I'm Anna, and in this video we are going to take a look at why it's so important to learn the basic techniques. We will review circular peyote stitch, odd and even count peyote stitch, and triangular peyote stitch. I don't want this to be a dense and boring video, so I will show you some finished pieces. I hope this inspires you to want to learn and practice more. So, let's do this. Circular peyote stitch. I'm going to show you some pieces and explain how I could design a new piece using the same technique. First one is a small circle, perfect for everyday wear. We can make it bigger, like these ones. We can also make a ring using the base of another technique, in this case, odd count peyote stitch. Or we can create a bracelet by joining several circles. Another idea could be to join several circles to create a long, beautiful earrings. There are two helpful videos on the channel about circular peyote stitch, plus a complimentary guide on raining beads that you can download. Odd and even count peyote stitch. This technique is so versatile. It will help us create bases for designing more complex pieces. The most common way to create jewelry with this technique is in the form of a bracelet. As I showed before, we have the ring, which uses this technique, but you can also make simple, smooth rings that look great. You can create variations like this chevron piece using Orcan Peyote Stitch. Or even, with a little imagination, pieces like these earrings. You have a complete guide of 25 pages on raining beads, plus a video on the channel. Triangular Peyote Stitch. I'm going to show you 5 pieces of different shapes and sizes. We have these adorable little triangles. We can make it bigger, depending on what works best for you. We can also make 3D pieces, like this pyramid. We could also play around with mixing and matching different sizes to create bigger pieces, like those earrings. And this last one is the union of 5 triangles that could resemble a seashell. We could use it as a pendant or at a base and create a beautiful earring. There are 4 videos on the channel about this technique, plus a complimentary guide on raining beads that you can download. These are the guides you can find on raining beads to download. You can also join to the RB Club and get 4 different designs for triangular Peyote Stitch. If you think this has helped and inspired you to want to learn and practice more, support this channel by subscribing, giving a like, and commenting on which technique you find most versatile or fun. Do you use them in your projects? I would love to talk with you about beading and designs. Thanks for watching and happy beading!